I am Dasara Venkat Sai of ECEA. Today I am going to present the case study of dialogue writing. In writing, dialogue shows a character speaking. It works to tell you more about the character and how they converse with others or react. When it comes to dialogue, you might see two types, outer and inner dialogue. Outer dialogue is when a character talks to another character in the story of the play. Definition of dialogue writing. Dialogue is a conversation in the story or really anytime something is said aloud. When you write dialogue, you are stating a person's exact words. Purpose of dialogue writing. Dialogue makes a story more interesting. It can reveal what a character thinks or feels. It can also show what a character like, his personality, etc. Some basic rules. Start a new paragraph each time a new person speaks. Make sure readers know who is talking. Give a balanced mix of action or talking. Let all the characters have equal say. Try to resolve the discussion by the end of the page. Rules for spoken words. The speaker's words should be set apart from the rest of the sentence with quotation marks. Rules for punctuation. Begin the first word of the spoken part with a capital letter. Place the punctuation inside the quotation marks. Rules. A comma separates the speaker from the spoken words. Example, the doctor stated, I think you feel better soon. Example, I think you feel better soon, the doctor stated. More rules. However, if the dialogue ends in a question mark or an exclamation point, do not add a comma when the spoken part is before the tag. Example, I can't believe I am going to Hawaii, she shouted. Rules continues. The spoken words are sometimes interpreted in the middle. End of the first part of the spoken words with the quotation mark. Begin the second with the quotation mark. Use commas to separate the spoken words from the tag. A customer and a clerk argue. The phone broke in a month, said the customer. I wanted to refund. I am sorry, sir. You are not entitled to refund. Don't tell me what I am entitled to, yelled customer. Replace it or I will go to the police station. The clerk ran into the back room and the manager came out. If you don't leave this restaurant right now, so I am going to call the police. I am a cop. The customer blurted. You could call me, but my phone doesn't work. Dialogue between a teacher and a student. Student, may I come in, sir? Teacher, yes, stand here. Why are you always late? Student, sir, it is the bus which makes me late. Teacher, what time do you leave home? Sir, I always leave home 7:45. Teacher, how far is your home from here? Student, it is about 3 kilometers from here. Teacher, that's why you are getting late. You leave your home very late. Sir, I take my breakfast at 7:30 a.m. What time do you get up? Student, I get up at about 7 a.m. Teacher, don't you offer your prayer? Student, not regularly. My dear, this is a bad habit. Change your routine. Always get up early in the morning. Offer your prayers and go for a morning. There is no park near my home. Teacher, no problem. You can walk along the street in the morning time. Take breakfast at right time and then leave for school. You are right, sir. From tomorrow I shall never be late. Good. One thing, keep in mind. Regularity and punctuality conquers the mountains. Thank you very much for your advice. Can I sit now?